Westy window wagon with brand new products from WCR. We've got some brand new products coming out here in the fall. This one, my favorite, is the skateboard decks. Beautiful craftsmanship. This, of course, there are several different patterns. This, my favorite, the history of window cleaning. How beautiful is that with the photos on there. If you're a window cleaner, you may not think about it now, but down the road, you will definitely appreciate having this. Even if you don't skate, it make a great wall hanger, a must-have for a window cleaner. This one's so well done here with the Ettore Stacconi with the brass squeegee. And then over here, brass squeegees, they use chamois, one to wet and one over the shoulder to dry. High-rise work here. Definitely a must-have for window cleaners. Hit me up, John, at Window Cleaning Resource. I'm on Instagram, Westy Window Wagon. DM me there. Call me directly at 865-310-0728.